Best air purifying plants for your home. Looking to reduce toxins in your home? It's often the germs and toxins that you can't see that are the most harmful, but alas, these air cleaning plants will help you remove toxins and improve air quality. Here is a roundup of the best air purifying indoor plants using NASA's clean air study that will add a touch of color and clean air to your home. Number 1. Devil's Ivy or Pothos, Epipremnumeriu. Otherwise known as pothos or golden pothos, devil's ivy is an easy-to-grow indoor houseplant that will fight off common household toxins. It adds instant color to any room with cascading tendrils and grows well in water, pots, and hanging baskets. The heartleaf philodendron has also been said to be harder to kill than to keep alive. Toxins removed: xylene, benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. Number 2. Peace Lily, Spathiphyllum. Also known as a spathiphyllum, peace lilies are an easy and undemanding plant to look after. Their glossy green leaves make the perfect addition to any room, especially those spots with low light. Keep them happy with weekly water and fertilize with a slow-release fertilizer in spring to promote growth and those glorious white flowers. Toxins removed: benzene, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, xylene. Number 3. Spider Plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Spider plants are the perfect choice for newbies and those with a bad track record when it comes to plants. They thrive in indirect sunlight and survive in just about any condition. They've been known to survive in temperatures as low as 2 degrees. Spider plants also send out shoots of baby spider plants called spiderets. Toxins removed: formaldehyde and xylene. Number 4. Chrysanthemums, Chrysanthemum morifolium. Chrysanthemums, otherwise known as dispuds or mums, are not only a great addition to a floral arrangement, but they look great in your home and are known as one of the best air purifiers around. They are among the more difficult air purifiers to grow, but the payoff is beautiful colorful blooms. They enjoy good airflow, bright indirect sunlight, and watering with warm water only, making sure that they are allowed to dry fully in between drinks. Toxins removed: ammonia, benzene, formaldehyde, and xylene. Number 5. Rubber plants, Ficus elastic. These burgundy evergreen trees originated from India. They're a very hardy plant that love bright, filtered light and weekly watering in summer and fortnightly watering in winter. Rubber plants can grow in a small pot or be encouraged to grow into a large indoor tree in pots or straight in the ground. Toxins removed: xylene, benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. Number 6. Boston Fern, Nephrolepis exultata v. Bostoniasis. This easy-to-grow fern is known for its sword-shaped fronds, which makes it perfect for a hanging basket or pedestal. The Boston fern thrives in humid environments and requires consistent moisture. Keep them happy with regular misting, moist soil, and position them in indirect sunlight near windows, balconies, and patios. In winter, cut the fronds back by around 2 inches to help regenerate and grow in the warmer months. Toxins removed: formaldehyde and xylene. Number 7. Areca palms, Chrysalidocarpus luteschens. Areca palms are great for bigger spaces. They are a powerhouse when it comes to eliminating toxins, and they are even non-toxic to both dogs and cats. Look after them with lots of water, a couple of times a week, during summer but not as much in winter. Toxins removed: benzene, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, xylene. Search guardianschoice.com. We are always ready to help you with the right information. Number 8. Pineapple plant. A recent study by NASA revealed that pineapple plants can actually put an end to snoring. Whilst they don't remove any toxins from the air, NASA claims that pineapple plants produce oxygen and boost air quality at night, which could improve sleep quality and cut out those snores. These plants are very hardy and survive with very little water, but are careful, they are no match for frost, they hate the cold. Number 9. Dracaena Janet Craig, Dracaena deramensis. Go big or go home. Dracaenas can grow up to 15 foot tall, making them perfect for filling voids in big spaces. These guys love indirect sunlight, but under no circumstances should be placed in direct sunlight. Water them once a week in the warmer months, but be careful, too much water can cause root decay. Toxins removed: xylene, trichloroethylene, and formaldehyde. Number 10. Ficus/weeping fig, Ficus benjamina. The ficus is native to Southeast Asia, grown most commonly indoors. The weeping fig can grow between 2 and 10 feet tall. Like most other air purifiers, Ficus prefers bright, indirect sunlight and to be watered weekly, drying out fully between drinks. Toxins removed: formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, and benzene. Number 11. Snake plant/mother-in-law's tongue, Sansevieria trifasciata. Snake plants, otherwise known as mother-in-law's tongue, is a succulent plant that can grow up to 2 meters in height. It is a low-maintenance plant that is hardy and thrives on neglect. Place them in somewhere tolerating bright, even direct light for a couple of hours a day. Be careful not to overwater as they thrive in dry conditions. Toxins removed: formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, benzene, and xylene. Number 12. Aloe Vera, Aloe Vera barbadensis. Aloe vera isn't just handy for its anti-inflammatory properties, repairing wounds and helping with sunburn, but it turns out it is a great air purifier too. They thrive in warm, well-lit rooms, growing brown spots on their leaves when the amount of harmful chemicals is extreme. Toxins removed: formaldehyde. Number 13. English ivy, Heterohelix. You might recognize English ivy as the climber on many walls and trees outdoors, but NASA claims that it is the #1 indoor houseplant when it comes to its air purifiers. They grow well in small pots and prefer to be crowded. They look great in hanging baskets, and you can even propagate a cutting in water in just a few days. Toxins removed: formaldehyde and benzene. Number 14. Flamingo lily/Fleur, Anthurium andrianum. The flamingo lily is the perfect plant to add a pop of color to any room. They flower 300 out of 365 days of the year. She loves bright, indirect sunlight, to be watered 1 to 2 times a week, and is particularly comfortable in more humid conditions like your bathroom and kitchen. Toxins removed: formaldehyde, ammonia, xylene, toluene. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now, and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from the Guardian's Choice Official.